We're in the process of creating a new story about who we are, what is the meaning of our lives, both individually and collectively in this larger cosmos.
Science and non-duality is a movement that is trying to give a voice to this strong sensation that the sciences and the mystics of all tradition should get together and help us define what does it mean to be human today.
Science finally has a place next to spiritual seeking. There's actually an interface there.
And it's in conferences like this, and there aren't very many of them, where that kind of dialogue is taking place.
The old Cartesian mind can't perceive from oneness.
I came here because these are my people.
I came here to...
It's home.
to see what happens.
What is important is one's living experience, independent of our intellectualization about it. It's just the experience of life.
What can be more exciting than playing with an idea that happened really around a glass of wine with your partner, decide to act on it, to make a conference, and find yourself aligned with thousands of other people, and all of a sudden you give a voice to a movement that you didn't even know existed.
This conference is all about questioning your story. And what happens when you question your story is that the light comes in. You start to understand the imperfections of the version of yourself that you've been giving yourself, and that wakes you up.
Just keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping. So I feel like, I've had a spiritual lobotomy of sorts, and it's just fine. Yeah.
As Buddha once said, when you get it, you'll look to the sky and laugh.
I mean, these kind of gatherings are very, very rare because you have scientists, you have mystics, you have sages. So it's a Molotov cocktail, and it's all designed to dissolve any containment and any tightness in the intellect, so the intellect can soar.
Every single person in power today is working from the wrong big picture, but we have the right one. So the question is, how can we share this? How can we make it beautiful so everybody realizes not only what it is, but that they're part of it and they love it?
We're all in this together, and there's not much time. I feel that in my bones.
I am here to tell people that by using this picture and by understanding how we fit into it, we are discovering the bond that links all human beings and that could make it possible to solve global problems.
I find a lot of conferences and workshops I go to, there's a sense of space between me and the presenters or the people that are attending, but here there's an intimacy, and we're all kind of swimming in the same space of creativity and inquiry, and it's beautiful.
There is a lot of people looking for connection instead of looking for separation.
There are truths that are so deep. For thousands of years they have re-emerged in different people, in different minds, at different times. So quantum theory, if you want to, is a form of mysticism.
Science and non-duality is a portal, a way in which you can enter into this dialogue and be part of the conversation.
Besides, if you drink too much, you can suffer. We don't want that. I mean, if we didn't have suffering, Maurizio, half the people speaking here would be out of a job.
2013, every year, sand is the place to be.
See you soon.